Hello friends, today I want to talk to you about artificial intelligence and machine learning in a simple layman manner. Today all transformation agenda is incomplete without the mention of artificial intelligence and machine learning. What is all this? Firstly, get one thing right, that neither of them are new. Right? Artificial intelligence has been around for many decades. One of the most popular applications of artificial intelligence or AI was the chess program Deep Blue, developed by IBM, and which became very popular in 1997 when it beat Garry Kasparov, the then world champion, quite convincingly. Now, what was this program? This program was designed in a way that it could include all possible outcomes, all possible moves of the chess champion at every single stage. So, in a sense, we had built, the programmers had built intelligence into the coding itself. It was that complicated, hence the name artificial, because it inherently wasn't intelligent, it was just that all possible coding was built into it. And it became really good over a period of time because it kept learning from each other, hence the name machine learning. Right? In a way, artificial intelligence is the larger body, and machine learning is one type of artificial intelligence that can be built in. Let's use a simple explanation or a simple game to explain this. All of us during our school and college days have endured lectures using a simple game called tic-tac-toe, which is nothing but a matrix of 3 by 3 with 9 cells, and two players can play the game using alternatively knots as in circles or crosses, and the aim is to get a line of 3 knots or crosses. Now, if you had to write a program for this, it should be pretty simple because the number of options are limited. If I start the game with a knot, you have only limited options to put your cross. And as the game progresses, the options actually start decreasing, right? But this is simple coding, and this is how most codes are written. That it's not very complicated. Now imagine another game, which is commonly called the spot the difference game. Now in spot the difference game, there are two similar looking images of usually a house or a scenery or a room which has some furniture, some usually a human being, where you would be asked to spot the 6 or 10 or 5 or whatever differences. If you had to write a program for this, how would you write? You would end up dividing each of the images into grids, very small cells of maybe 10 by 10, 20 by 20, and then compare the image of each cell with the other picture. And then the program will be able to figure out using optical images comparison that whether the images are similar or not, and then be able to give you that this shoe is different in this picture A versus picture B, this table is different in picture A versus picture B, and so on. Now this is actually very good code, but slightly inefficient because you are going cell by cell. Now imagine you were able to teach the program to learn from each iteration, and slowly the computer or the machine will learn that most of the differences are in people's hair, nose, shoes, belt, shirt, the bed color, and window pane, and other kind of stuff. So you are making the machine learn by itself that where are the most likely differences, and it will first go to those places and then understand, hence making the process very efficient. Right? So this is an application of artificial intelligence called machine learning. These are not really very two different things. Machine learning can be seen as an application or a way of becoming artificially intelligent. There are of course more complications, like machine learning can be via classification, by regression. Classification is nothing but similarity of two aspects or events. Regression is nothing but the time at a given time, if two different things are happening, then they are similar in nature, and so on. So friends, I want to just simplify the concepts of AI and machine learning. In further episodes, I will try and bring to you some applications of these concepts to our operations life. Thank you very much for watching, and more next time.